Hello everybody, my name is Russell. Today I would like to share you about the day from morning until now. So in the morning I woke up at 5 p.m. and after that I had breakfast at 5:30. But if in the weekend I I had breakfast at 6 o'clock because in weekend I woke up late. After that I took I took bath and got dressed, got my school uniform, and after that I went to school at 6:20. Now I I was I am read at the GV. I am visiting visit present presenting about my day from morning until now. Miss Intan, record this. Miss Intan is recorded recording me now. I think that's all. Thank you.